The Gonex 2-burner camping stove feels genuinely portable with a compact folding case, carrying handle, and a weight light enough to toss into a car trunk or gear bin without a second thought. Its two propane burners deliver a combined 16,000 British thermal units, which is plenty of power to boil water quickly while still letting you simmer breakfast on the other side. The built-in piezo ignition works reliably, so you can light each burner with a twist of the knob instead of fumbling for matches or a lighter in the wind. A high-temperature resistant coating on the body helps the stove shrug off repeated high heat use and makes it easier to wipe clean after greasy camp cooking sessions. The included non-stick griddle is surprisingly useful, giving you a flat surface that handles eggs, pancakes, and delicate foods without stubborn sticking. Two sturdy cast iron grates are also included, providing a stable platform for small and medium cookware and adding a durable, classic feel to the cooking surface.